Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's go to Lyft shaving and talk about that.
Okay, this is going on. This had stopped. This is back. Lyft. Okay, seriously. Why do we have to do this? You know you're gonna get caught. So why are we going through this again? We had this pandemic, epidemic, whatever the fuck this was, a year ago. And then it went away. Was thankfully grateful. And then now it's back. So this driver is in a 50% turbo area before a scheduled trip, picks up the 50%, and then finishes the scheduled trip. And of course, they don't pay him the 50%. And I'm like, okay. And it's bullshit. So then he wants to chat. Well, we know where that's going to end up. So chat goes, no, the upfront is 1503. So therefore, the earnings for the ride are correct, Matthew. He goes, there is this thing called evidence. See, drivers think like they're talking to like a human with common sense in this. So, well, that's number one mistake right there. So this is illegal wage theft, okay? And then the chat goes, my apologies. This was the outcome this was not the outcome you were expecting, Matthew. But I've made sure to check the rate carefully and the earnings are correct. He goes, 50% of 1503 is not $1.75. And here's the trip that showed up. $16.79, Chris. They paid the guy $16.79, stole. He goes, 50% of 1503 is more like 7.5, and then Lyft support goes, no, it's 16.79. So he sent it to me. So Lyft, I'm going to send this to you. We don't need to play this game. We don't need to be Uber. We just be Lyft. We'll be the good guys. Well, we pay the people what they deserve. And this guy was pissed, bro. We have like a 14-string email exchange. I'm going like, finally, did you get paid? He goes, no, they're not paying me. I'm like, there's not much I can do about any of that. But long story short, the scheduled trip shaving is back with the vengeance. And I do not like it. I don't like it. I just don't like it. So there you go.
Yep. So in other words, just pay attention to everything, as we always say.
Yeah. I mean, why? Why do we stoop to these levels? We just pay the people. They're doing the work for you. You guys wait until Uber and Lyft. You guys wait until next week. But not that you guys are going to do much about it. I already know. But hey, you never know. You never know. You never know. Anyway, so please, so if you guys have these kind of thing happening again to you guys on scheduled trips, you pick up a turbo. Not the regular turbo. I'm talking this, the new flash turbo, right? You pick it up before a scheduled trip. You should get paid for your scheduled trip. Plus that turbo, flash turbo, or prime time is called now, or whatever it's called now. I think it's called flash turbo. It used to be like this. We fixed it, and now we're back. So if you guys have these on scheduled trips that you're not getting paid the turbo or the bonus or whatever, email them to me, so I'll send them to Lyft, and hopefully they'll fix it again. So,
yep, hopefully. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.